What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was coming out the house this morning, wasn't paying attention, slipped, almost fell down the stairs, dropped my phone. The screen cracked, and it looked like it's bent. Can you help me?
Don't worry, sir. I got you.
Okay.
Get this frame. This was about to be broken, and this is how the frame looks. Unfortunately, I cannot use this one anymore because it's cracked right here. I'm gonna put the whole new one. Got the new one. And I'm gonna change this for him as well. I'm gonna make him surprised with the new one. Your phone is ready, sir.
Whoa, wow. Oh my God, that's amazing. Oh, it looks brand new.
Yes, sir.
I went a lot of places, man, and they just told me it couldn't be done. It couldn't be done.
You got it.
But you did it. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.